Mga lol, nabudayan mo lang ka mong mag-Ilonggo? Ari ba si makabulig ni sa inyo? A is for agtang, 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 agtang. B is for butanding, 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 butanding. C is for Carabao, 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 Carabao. D is for dugong, dugong, dugong. E is for ekis, ekis, ekis. F is for fiesta, fiesta. G is for guapo, guapo. H is for hubog, hubog. I is for into, into. J is for deodorant, deodorant. K is for calvo, calvo. L is for lagtok, lagtok. M is for mudra, mudra. N is for ngislo, ngislo. O is for oling, oling. P is for palpag, palpag. Q is for queso, queso. R is for ragumo, ragumo. S is for subit, subit. T is for tangkoloy, tangkoloy. U is for ulumol, ulumol. V is for vulkan, vulkan. W is for walwal, walwal. X is for xerox, xerox. Y is for yabok, yabok. Z is for zapatos, zapatos. Yay! Kabalo na ako mag-Ilonggo, mga lol. See ya!